Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Fleshlight Quickshot Male Masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Quickshot Male Masturbator itself. Now with this Quickshot Fleshlight, nothing will stand in your way and you can enjoy a fantastic erotic sensation, and because it's transparent you can always see what's going on. Let's take a look at it in more detail. To open, simply unscrew like so, and you can see both ends. It's made of a SuperSkin material, which surrounds your penis in a lifelike way, meaning you won't forget the experience. It's also very flexible and has a stimulating nubbed texture on the inside as well. And because it's stretchy, it will ensure the perfect fit as well. You can be sure of a fantastic climax and stimulation with this Quickshot. Now, when using this Quickshot, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Also included is a Fleshlight personal water-based lubricant to use as well. Make sure to clean the Quickshot after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Make sure the Quickshot is completely dry before using again. And of course, make sure to pop the caps back on after every use as well. You can also remove the sleeve entirely from the Quickshot as well as part of the cleaning process. Stretchy and of course stimulating. Make sure both caps are on after every use to ensure it's kept dust-free and clean. And that is the Fleshlight Quickshot Male Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.